While eating at a restaurant is an enjoyable and convenient occasional treat, most individuals and families prepare their meals at home. To make breakfast, lunch, and dinner daily, these persons must have the required foods and ingredients on hand and ready to go. Foods and ingredients are typically purchased from a grocery store or an establishment that distributes foods, drinks, household products, and other items that are used by the typical consumer. Produce are the term used to describe fresh fruits and vegetables is commonly purchased by grocery store shoppers. In terms of fruit, most grocery stores offer bananas, apples, oranges, blackberries, raspberries, grapes, pineapples, cantaloupes, watermelons, and more. Other grocery stores with larger produce selections may offer the listed fruits, in addition to less common fruits, including mangoes, honeydews, starfruits, coconuts, and more.